Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with Ucraft. Use the link to Ucraft in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Once you're logged in, select a template that fits the style and purpose of your website. Ucraft offers a variety of templates for different industries and purposes. After selecting a template, you can start customizing it to match your brand and preferences. Ucraft provides a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor that allows you to easily modify elements like text, images, colors, and layouts. Create additional pages for your website as needed, such as an About page, a Services page, a Contact page, etc. Populate these pages with relevant content using the editor. Ucraft offers integrations with various widgets and apps that can enhance the functionality of your website. For example, you can add a contact form, social media feeds, Google Maps, etc. Once you're satisfied with the design and content of your website, preview it to see how it will look to visitors. Make any final adjustments as needed, and then publish your website to make it live on the internet. Ensure that your website is optimized for search engines by adding relevant keywords to your content, optimizing meta tags, and creating a sitemap. Ucraft provides tools to help with SEO optimization. Regularly monitor your website's performance and make updates as needed to keep it relevant and engaging for visitors. Ucraft offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs, including a free plan and several paid plans with increasing features. Here's a quick breakdown of their offerings. The free website plan is suitable for creating a basic website with up to 15 pages. It includes features like mobile responsiveness, SEO tools, and free hosting, but you'll have a Ucraft watermark on your site and limited storage. The Pro website plan, at $10 per month when billed annually, could be the right choice for you if you sell fewer than 15 products and are content to rely on just a payment methods Stripe and PayPal. The Pro Shop plan, at $21 per month when billed annually, is, in the end, a value-packed plan that can power your online store with up to 1,000 different products. Unlimited plan, $69 per month when billed annually. It contains everything that is included in the Pro Shop plan. List unlimited products, sell digital products, sell in person with Square POS integration, and lots more. Don't forget to use the link to Ucraft in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.